How doing, guys? This is Sam again, expert locksmith. We're here to make a key for Toyota Camry 2016. I already programmed the keys. Yesterday the guy had another locksmith that was able to cut the key but wasn't able to program this one because this is H chip. I made him also a remote head key because that's what he originally wanted, and we programmed the key. I just want to show you how to program the remote. On the car on position. Okay. That's it. I press lock, unlock, and then unlock, and the key is supposed to be programmed. Let's exit. Okay, let's try it. It doesn't work. I heard the beep. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, lock and unlock, then okay, here the remote control is programmed. The one program, no, exit. Now let's try it. Oh, of course, our keys are on position, that's why. This is lock, this is unlock. We're basically done. Let me just show you the car. Okay, so this is the car. As you can see, this is lock, this is unlock, that's the trunk, and this is our panic. Thank you again, Sam, expert locksmith and security.